Hi, today we are going to look into how to duplicate or migrate elements or sections in Elementor WordPress. Here, we are going to complete three scenarios. Number one, duplicating elements in the same page. Number two, migrating to different page but of the same website. And number three, migrating to different page of different website. And lastly, I'm going to talk about the global part of the Elementor. So let's get started. First, we are going to log in into WordPress dashboard, pages, and we are going to create a dummy page. Here, I have already created one, so let's access it. Edit with Elementor. Alright, here's a dummy page. Here, I have a hero section, a gallery, and a post. Now, let's say I want this particular section twice in my website. So, what I'm going to do? Firstly, I can do one thing that I'm going to create a new section, then add an heading in it, and then an image and all the properties again and again, which is really redundant. Instead of that, we can just click on this section, right click, and press duplicate. By doing this, our particular section will be duplicated just below it. See, it's that easy. Now, I can change the heading, number two, and styles, and let's say I can add a new image to it from this particular section. Alright, but let's assume that I do not want it here. Obviously, who wants two hero section in their web page? So let's delete it. But I am going to put it somewhere between gallery and post section. So we simply go up, click on the six button, right click and copy. Now let's say I wanted to put it just below the gallery. Click on the six buttons, right click and paste. And there you have it. Your hero section will be added here. Now you can change its properties, let's say 2 and more. It's a simple way of duplicating particular elements. Let's move on to the second scenario. I want this hero section not just in my page, dummy page, but we are going to create another page and I'm going to put this particular hero section in it. So let's do it. Now we can do two things. Just like I did this part, I can just copy it and paste it there. But it is a really messy part because sometimes when we create another page and the code is not copied properly, it can give an error. So what we are going to do is going to right click, save as templates. Now we are going to name it. Let's say hero section 1. We save it. And now in my templates, I have hero section 1. Now let's cancel it. Update this part and we are going to exit. Go to pages, add new, dummy, page 2, publish and edit with element. Now I have a blank canvas. So I'm going to put the hero section that we saved there here. Now, as I told you, we have two ways. First, we can just click paste here and the section will appear here. But let's say that I have copied contain ID 1 as well and now I'm going to put it here. Then it will not work. For that, we're going to use a better method. Click on this section, go to my templates, And where you named it Hero Section 1, just click Insert. It is going to show you a warning that the layout will be changed, but let's say we want to change it. That's why we are adding an element, right? And now you can see my hero section just appeared here. And I can just click update, and there you have it. My page is saved. So we have successfully migrated one section from one web page to another web page of the same website. Alright, let's talk about third scenario, which is really confusing. When we want to migrate this particular section to another website of mine. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this plus icon, go to templates. Here I have my templates. I'm just going to export my hero section 1. Alright. It will give me a JSON file which is saved in my local storage. Now I'm simply going to go in my another domain. Let's say my subdomain. I'm going to use my credentials, login, and here let's go to pages. As usual, add new, dummy page, and publish. Now click on edit with Elementor, and once your screen is loaded, you can just click again on the add template method. Now we are going to upload that JSON file here. I'm going to click import. You can simply drag and drop it. So do not show this message again. Make sure you are using your own JSON files, because if somebody shared you a particular JSON file, it might contain harmful viruses. So be careful with that. Now I have my hero section 1 here, right? I'm simply going to insert it. Here you can see that my particular hero section that I created on TPR is migrated to its subdomain, right? Now here you can see the font is changed because the default font of this particular subdomain is Laura, and in TPR I've set it to Poppins. So make sure that the settings you are putting in your website are going to be its parent property. So arrange it according to yourself. Alright. Now these are all the three methods how you can migrate your elements or particular sections as well. But I'm going to talk about a method by which you can access it in your whole website. Let's say this particular heading here, I'm going to use it again and again and in the same format. I'm not even going to change its heading. Container ID 1 is not going to be changed, nor its properties, nor its structure. What I can do is I can right click on that element, save as global, name this like heading global, and then save. Now you can see in global part, when I go to the here and I click on global, I can have a heading global part. Let's say I want to add another heading in between this hero section. No, it's appeared here. Alright, let me do it again. See?
And that's the end of this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video was really helpful to you. Also, for similar videos please subscribe to Quick Skills. Thank you so much.